it's a great question. Why does it feel so hard to forgive yourself or others? It is tough because the ego, the personal thinking mind, to remain in control and to prevent us from accessing this deeper state that I talk about, the essence of our being, will hold on to anything. And when pain and hurt is present, that's a really easy island for our ego, for our personal thinking mind, our thoughts to hold on to attach to. And that's why it becomes so difficult to forgive, because our ego is wrestling against the essence of our being to be in control, to remain in control of our experience. That's when the mind believes it's the master rather than the servant. And so it holds on, it grabs. It doesn't want us to forgive because in that place of pain, the ego remains control. In the state of forgiveness, the ego relinquishes control. It dissipates. It no longer has a hold over you. And that's when those barriers, when those walls of unforgiveness fade and we access the truth of who we are, that's when we live in that place of freedom. But it's such a hard thing to do because there's so much resistance to it.